Okay friends, welcome back to the new video of simplifying boards. In this video we are going to discuss the biology important questions. Okay, let us start from the first chapter, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Question number 1, that is explain the structure of tiers of anther or microsporangium. Okay दोस्तों, and second one is describe the structure of megasporangium or anatropous ovule. And question number third, describe the 7-celled 8 nucleate structure of female gametophyte or structure of embryo sac. And question number 4, with a help of neat label diagram, explain the structure of pollen grain or male gametophyte. And question number 5, explain the process of double fertilization and triple fusion. And question number 6, explain how pollination occurs in Vallisneria and sea grasses. And question number 7, draw a neat label structure of dicot and monocot embryo. And question number 8, what is the endosperm? Explain the different types of endosperm. Question number 9, explain with the help of neat label structure of typical flower. And let us move to the next one, that is human reproduction. First one is draw a neat label structure of male reproductive system. And question number second, in the figure given below, part A and part B show the level of hormone which influence the menstrual cycle. Study the figure and answer the questions that follow. In this question we have two questions, and first one is name the organs glands which secrete the hormone represent in label parts A and B. And question number 2 is state the role of hormones secreted from part B on the uterus of human female during menstrual cycle. Okay, so and our next question is draw a neat label structure of female reproductive system. And question number 13 is explain the structure of spermatozoa with neat label diagram. And question number 14 is explain the process of spermatogenesis. What is oogenesis? Explain the process of oogenesis. Question number 16, describe human female mammary gland by the help of neat labeled diagram. And question number 17, with the help of neat label diagram, explain the structure of mammalian ovary. And question number 18, what is menstrual cycle? Explain the stages of menstrual cycle. What is placenta? Mention the function of placenta. And move to the next chapter. We have reproductive health. Okay, let us start from the first one. Suggest some methods to assist infertile couples to have children. And question number 21, describe the briefly natural methods of contraception. And question number 22, what is STD? Write a note on syphilis and gonorrhea. Question number 23, what is population explosion? Mention the causes, effects and control of overpopulation. Question number 22, 24. What is MTP? When it is advised and why it is legally banned in our country? Okay. And next chapter is our principles of inheritance and variations. Let us start with the first question, that is question number 25 in biology. Results of a Mendelian dihybrid cross area represented in the form of Punnett square. And this is a diagram, and we have to answer these questions. That is, answer the following questions with respect to the result of a dihybrid cross. Okay, and the first question is question number A, number of parental types progeny, and question number 2, number of recombination progeny, and question number C, number of homozygous recessive progeny, and question number 4, and question number D, number of homozygous dominant progeny, and question number E, number of homozygous progeny for both the traits. Question number F, number of heterozygous progeny for both the traits. Okay, friend, let us move to the next one, that is question number 26. Explain in monohybrid cross law of segregation or inheritance of one gene with a suitable example. And question number 27, describe the hybrid cross law of independent assortment or inheritance of two genes. Question number 28, explain incomplete or partial dominance with a suitable example. And question number 29, write a note on hemophilia. And question number 30, what is color blindness? Explain the inheritance of color blindness in man or man, or explain X-linked inheritance with an example. Okay friend, let us move to the next one. It is question number 31. Explain the different types of chromosomal mechanism of sex determination. And question number 32, write a note on Turner and Klinefelter syndrome. Write a note on Down's syndrome. And our next chapter is molecular basis of inheritance. Question number 34, describe the double helix model of DNA or explain Watson and Crick model of DNA. And question number 35, define DNA fingerprint technology, explain the steps involved in it. Question number 36, explain the experiment Hershey and Case to prove that DNA is the genetic material. And question number 37, describe the lac operon concept of E. coli. And question number 38, write a note on objectives and important achievements of HGP. Question number 39, explain the properties or characteristics features of genetic code. Explain the structure of a nucleosome model or explain the packaging of DNA helix. Question number 41, describe the Griffith experiment. And the next chapter is evolution. Okay. And question number 42, explain Stanley Miller experiment with a neat label diagram. Question number 43, write the salient features of the following human ancestors. First one is we have Diropithecus, and second one is Rhamnothesis, and third one is Homo habilis, Australopithecus, and Homo habilis, Neanderthal man, and fourth one is Homo erectus, and so on. Let us move to the next question. It is question number 42. What is Hardy-Weinberg law? Explain any four factors that affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Question number 45. Write a brief account on origin and evolution of man. Okay friends, if you are getting this video, then please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the notification button and select the all. Okay friends. Okay. And question number 46 is explain industrial melanism and adaptive radiation. Darwin Finches. And our next chapter is human health and diseases. Okay friends. And in this first question is question number 47. What is innate immunity? Describe the types of defense balance of innate immunity. Question number 48. What are lymphoid organs? Write the function of the following in response to immune system in our body. First one is bone marrow, and second one is thymus, and third one is spleen, and fourth one is lymph lymph nodes. Okay. And question number 49. Name the causative agents of the following diseases. In this first one disease is A. Malaria, B. Filariasis, C. Ascariasis, D. Amoebiasis, and fifth pneumonia. Okay friends, you have to understand these diseases and you have to remember the causes of these diseases, and you have to also remember the what kind of virus and what kind of bacteria cause this disease. Please study carefully. You have enough time to score more than 75 marks in your board. Question number 50. Some drug bottles had their name labels missing in a drug store of a hospital. The staff needs to identify the drugs with their actions still written on them. Analyze their actions listed below and identify the name of each drug and also the source of each one of them. First one is drug 1, and here we have effect. Okay, drug 1 is drug 1, and this effect is used by doctors as a sedative and a pain killer. Okay friends. And drug number 2 we have help patients to cope with insomnia and depression. Okay. And drug number 3 is increase blood pressure and heart rate of consumer. And drug number 4 is act as a depressant and slows down body function. Okay. And drug number 5 is affects cardiovascular system of the body. Let us move to the next one, and we have question number 51. Describe the life cycle of malarial parasite Plasmodium. Question number 52. What is cancer? Write note on the detection and treatment of cancer. And question number 53. Write the difference between active and passive immunity. Okay. Right. And question number 54 is explain how drug and alcohol abuse can be prevented. Control measures. Question number 55. Write a note on life cycle to HIV retrovirus. Question number 56. Describe the structure of antibody molecule. And our next chapter is microbes in human welfare. Okay friends, let us start with the first question. What is the biogas? Explain the how biogas production occurs in biogas plant with the help of diagram. And question number 58. A. With respect to the microbial products, its source and uses, identify the A, B and C in the following table. Here we have microbial product one side, source one side, and use one side. Okay, we have to identify one A and B. In the microbial product given cyclosporin A, and in source it is named as A, and the use of this is immunosuppressant. Okay, and microbial product B is, and microbial product name is B, and the source is Monoscus purpureus, and use, and this is used to blood cholesterol lowering agent. Okay, and micro our next microbial product is streptokinase, and its source is streptococcus, and its uses C. You have to find out A, B, and C, friends. And in this B question is define the BOD and flux. Okay. And question number 59, write a note on the role of microbes in household products. And question number 60 is give a brief account the role of microbes in the production of industrial products. Question number 61, what is sewage? Write a brief note on sewage treatment. And question number 62, what is biocontrol? Describe the role microbes as biocontrol agents. Question number 63, name the source of biofertilizers with an example. And our next chapter is biotechnology principle and process. Question number 64, what is recombination DNA technology? Explain the process involved in it. Question number 65, draw a neat label diagram of fever 322. Question number 66, A, write three vector free techniques that can be utilized to transfer recombination DNA into a ready host cell. And in this B question is agrobacterium tumescens act as natural vector for cloning genes in plants. Substantiate. And question number 57, study the diagram given below and answer the questions that follow. Okay दोस्तों, this diagram has been given to us, and let us know the question. Question number A, what is E. coli? B, how is the action of exonuclease different from that of endonuclease? Question number C, how are sticky ends formed on a DNA strand? Why are they so called? Question number 68, what is PCR technique? Explain the process of amplification of gene of interest. Explain the process involved in it. Okay friends, and our next one question is question number 69, explain the okay friends, okay, question number 69, explain the tools of recombination DNA technology or DNA. Question number 70, write the features of cloning vector. And we have next chapter that is biotechnology and its applications. Let us start with the first question. Explain the process of insulin synthesis, genetically engineered insulin. Question number 72, what is gene therapy? Explain its type and explain how to treat SCID through gene therapy. Question number 73, write biotechnological applications in agriculture. Question number 74, describe the production of BT cotton. Question number 75, explain the terms like explained totipotency, micropropagation, somaclones, somatic hybrids associated with the tissue culture. And move to the next chapter. We have organism and populations. In this question number 76 is mention the population interactions exist among the following. And question number A is among tortoise and goats, and B is tiger and deer. Question number C is sea anemone and clownfish. Question number D. Wasp laying eggs in fish fruits. Question number E. Cascota growing on a hedge plant. Question number 77. What is population growth curve? Briefly explain two types of growth curves. And question number 78. Define the following terms and give one example for each. And the first one is given is camouflage, second one is symbiosis, third one is hibernation, and fourth one is estivation, fifth one is interspecific competition. Okay friends, you have to define these terms and give the example one and give a example for each for getting the full marks. Okay, we have the next question. Question number 79. Explain mutualism with examples. And question number 80. Write down the adaptations of prey to avoid to predators. Predators. And let us move to the next question. Next chapter it is ecosystem. Okay. Question number 81. Define decomposition. Mention the steps involved in it. Question number 82. Explain ecological pyramids and types. And question number 83. Define food chain. Explain its types. And question number 84. Write a note on productivity. Question number 85. Difference between GPP and NPP. Question number 86. Write a note on energy flow in ecosystem. And let us move to the next chapter, that is biodiversity and conservation. Okay. Question number 87. Explain any four causes of biodiversity losses you will quoted. Question number 88. What are the two basic strategies of biodiversity conservation? Explain briefly. Question number 89. What is biodiversity? Explain three types of biodiversity. Question number 90. Define the following terms. A. First one is endemism, second one is sacred grove, third one is sacred species. And we have the last question. Question number 91, that is what is in situ and ex situ conservation with an example for each. Okay friends, we have completed the most important questions of biology. You have to write, remember and answer these questions carefully to get the full marks in exam. Please practice, because practice is the key to success. Okay friends, good luck for your exam. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Okay.